Tired of working 9 to 5? What if your next paycheck came from your garage instead? Because Amazon is packed with insane machines that can brew beer, engrave jewelry, press t-shirts, and even fill a yard with foam for profit. These are the 30 craziest business machines you can grab right now. And trust me, number 7 will blow your mind. Your garage could be more than storage. It could be your own fashion studio. And the Cricut EasyPress 3 makes it easy. No guesswork, no stress. Just connect it to the Cricut Heat app, pick your settings, and follow the on-screen guide. In minutes, you're pressing custom designs onto t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, whatever your style demands. The ceramic plate heats up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you pro-level, long-lasting results. Plus, safety features like auto-off and an insulated base mean peace of mind every time. Compact, affordable, and perfect for your next side hustle. If you're serious about custom printing, this 16 by 24 heat press is a total game changer. With a massive press area, you can transfer designs onto t-shirts, hoodies, pillows, mouse pads, you name it. The infrared positioning system makes every print precise, with zero guesswork. Its advanced heating tech guarantees even heat across the entire plate, so whether it's cotton, polyester, or even ceramics, your results are flawless every time. Built tough with a heavy-duty aluminum frame, this machine is made for serious work, perfect for small businesses and print shops. At 2,000 watts of power, it's built for volume, quality, and profit. Ready to turn your garage into a custom print factory? Phomemo M110. Label makers running a small business? Then you know labels are everything, and the Phomemo M110 Bluetooth label maker makes it effortless. This pocket-sized printer connects to your phone in seconds. Open the free Printmaster app, choose a template, and start printing barcodes, clothing tags, jewelry labels, price stickers, you name it. It supports widths from 20 to 50 millimeters, and you can batch print straight from Excel, saving hours of work. Plus, the labels are durable, scratch-resistant, waterproof, and peel-off clean. Need more power? Its OCR feature converts text from photos into editable labels in just 4 seconds. Lightweight, fast, and insanely useful. This little printer is a secret weapon for any small business. Printcraft. Bring your ideas to life with the Class 2 Laser Engraver, a 10,000 milliwatt machine built for precision and power. It works on wood, metal, acrylic, and leather, delivering sharp, professional results every time. With a blazing speed of 10,000 millimeters per minute and 0.01 millimeter motion precision, it handles even the most intricate designs with ease. Its single-diode laser with a 0.06 by 0.06 millimeter fixed focus beam ensures crystal-clear detail and uniformity, making it perfect for commercial projects or high-end crafts. Setup is simple, and it's compatible with multiple software and file formats. So whether you're an artist, hobbyist, or small business owner, you'll be engraving like a pro in no time. This isn't just a tool. It's your gateway to next-level creativity. Imagine a machine that can print, cut, and engrave all in one. That's the H2D Dual-Nozzle 3D printer, a true mini factory for your garage. Its dual-nozzle system lets you combine flexible and rigid materials, or even mix colors, inside a single print. And with a massive 350 by 320 by 325 millimeter build volume, you can go big with prototypes, custom parts, or oversized models. But it doesn't stop at printing. Add the optional 10-watt or 40-watt laser module, and you'll be cutting through plywood, engraving leather, or creating custom designs with pro precision. Powered by AI, 4 cameras, and 36 sensors, the H2D auto-calibrates, monitors in real time, and keeps every project flawless. From stickers to sneakers, furniture parts to fine art, the H2D turns any garage into a production powerhouse. Gear rug rugs aren't just home decor, they're a booming business. You can start making custom rugs right in your garage. This kit includes everything: a tufting gun, carpet trimmer, tufting cloth, and backing cloth, so you can design, trim, and finish rugs from start to finish. Switch between cut pile and loop pile styles for unlimited creativity. And with speeds up to 40 stitches per second, it's up to 100 times faster than making rugs by hand. The 360-degree adjustable handle and variable speed control make it easy for beginners, while built-in safety systems keep things worry-free. From letters and logos to full-size rugs, this machine is your ticket to a creative, profitable side hustle. CR Scan Ferret Pro. Imagine being able to turn real objects into 3D models, anytime, anywhere. That's what the Creality CR Scan Ferret Pro delivers. With Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, it scans wirelessly to your phone or computer and exports straight into STL, PLY, or OBJ formats, ready for 3D printing or digital design. It handles objects from 150mm to 2000mm, even dark or metallic surfaces. No messy spray required. And with 30 frames per second speed and 0.01mm accuracy, it captures every fine detail in full color. Lightweight at just 105 grams, it's ultra-portable and even works outdoors in bright sunlight. Plus, its anti-shake tracking means smooth scans, even if your hands aren't steady. From crafts to car parts, this pocket-sized scanner opens the door to endless creative and business opportunities. XTool F1 2-in-1 Dual Laser Engraver. Meet the XTool F1, the world's first dual laser engraver built for speed, precision, and profit. With blazing speeds of 4,000 millimeters per second, it can batch process business cards, jewelry, or custom dog tags in just seconds. Perfect for small businesses and craft sellers. It combines a 2-watt infrared laser for metals with a 10-watt diode laser for wood, acrylic, and more, cutting up to 10mm wood or 6mm acrylic with ease. Its enclosed design blocks smoke and leaks, while a built-in fan keeps your workspace clean. At just 4.6 kilograms, it's portable enough to take to markets or craft shows. And with HD engraving accuracy down to 0.00199mm, every detail, from logos to photos, comes out flawless. Fast, portable, beginner-friendly. The XTool F1 is a money-making machine in a box. Looking for a 3D printer that's fast, precise, and ready straight out of the box? Meet the Cobra S1. With a 600mm per second travel speed and 20,000mm per second squared acceleration, it's built for lightning-fast prints without losing accuracy. Thanks to its Core XY system and dual motor drive, vibrations stay low, and your designs come out smoother than ever. Setup is effortless with LeviQ 3.0 auto bed leveling and Z-axis compensation. No tinkering required. The full metal hot end reaches 320 degrees Celsius, while the bed hits 120 degrees Celsius, letting you work with PLA, TPU, ABS, PETG, and more. Plus, you can swap nozzles from 0.2 to 0.8 millimeters. And with Maker Online's free model library of over 3,000 designers, you've got endless projects at your fingertips. All just one click away. The Cobra S1, speed, precision, and creativity, all in one printer. Laminator machine. Looking for a laminator that's compact, stylish, and easy to use? This A4 laminator kit is lightweight enough to fit on any desk, but powerful enough to protect your documents, photos, posters, and more. With mica sheet heating and a dual roller system, it delivers smooth, bubble-free lamination every time. It also features an ABS anti-jam button and smart overheat protection for worry-free operation. You can switch between hot and cold modes with a single button, and the kit even includes 40 sheets, a paper cutter, and a corner rounder. Everything you need to get started right out of the box. Creality K2 Plus. Meet the Creality K2 Plus combo, a 3D printer built for speed, precision, and creativity. Hook up to 4 CFS units and unlock the power of 16-color printing. No painting required. With its step servo motor system, it reaches 600 millimeters per second print speeds and a blazing 30,000 millimeters per second squared acceleration, making it one of the fastest large format printers around. Thanks to its high-temp hardened steel nozzle and actively heated chamber, you can print with everything from PLA and ABS to advanced carbon fiber blends. Dual AI cameras keep an eye on your prints, detecting errors and even creating time-lapse videos, while auto tilt leveling and dual Z-axes guarantee a perfect first layer every time. Add in a rock-solid matrix frame with filament runout sensors and cutters, and you've got a machine that's smart, steady, and ready to take your printing to the next level. Vending Machine. Turn your garage or storefront into a money-making hub with the Nayax credit card reader vending machine. Built for business, it's designed to keep snacks safe and customers happy. With bright LED lighting, anti-theft drop sensors, and a massive capacity for soda, chips, candy, and more, this machine is both practical and profitable. Thanks to integral foam insulation and anti-fog double glass, it keeps everything cool and fresh while saving energy. Customers can pay any way they like, from cash and coins to mobile wallets and QR codes, making it smarter and more convenient than ever. With a durable build, temperature control, and elevator delivery system, this vending machine is the perfect way to boost sales and upgrade your business. Cup Sealing Machine. Streamline your drink business with the full automatic cup sealing machine. Just place the cup and it automatically feeds, seals, and ejects with precision, even tracking your daily output. Designed to handle 90 or 95 millimeter cups up to 18 centimeters tall, it works with both plastic and paper cups, sealing 500 to 650 per hour with 0 leaks. Moist rims? No problem. Manual speed adjustment and patching options make every seal perfect. Switch between manual or automatic modes and keep your milk tea shop running smoothly even at peak hours. With precision temperature control, anti-leak design, and ongoing technical support, this sealing machine is built to maximize efficiency and keep your customers happy. Turn everyday ingredients into frozen masterpieces with the Ninja Creamy. This 800-watt machine whips up ice cream, gelato, smoothie bowls, milkshakes, and more, all with the push of a button. With 7 one-touch programs, you get perfect results every time, whether it's sorbet, light ice cream, or even a protein-packed smoothie bowl. Unleash your creativity with the AKDY 8-in-1 heat press machine, built for pros and hobbyists alike. Its 12 by 15-inch Teflon-coated heating plate delivers even scorch-free transfers, perfect for custom t-shirts, mugs, caps, and more. With 360-degree swing-away rotation, adjustable height, and multi-spring pressure control, every press is precise and professional. The double-tube heating system ensures consistent temperatures across the plate, while the safety design keeps the surface cool to the touch. This all-in-one kit includes every accessory you need for apparel, crafts, and sublimation projects, backed by UL and FCC certifications and a 3-year warranty. Whether you're starting a business or personalizing your style, this machine brings heat, precision, and endless possibilities. HTV Ront. Tired of uneven transfers? The HTV Ront Auto Heat Press 2 takes the guesswork out of custom printing. With adjustable pressure up to 80 kilograms, 170 pounds, it's perfect for DTF projects, hoodies, and even thick fabrics most presses can't handle. Its 15 by 15-inch plate and extra height clearance let you tackle everything from shirts to bulky sweatshirts with ease. Powered by a dual-tube heating engine and NTC tech, it heats up fast, distributes heat evenly, and saves up to 30% waiting time. Just set your time and temperature, press R, and the machine applies pressure automatically, then releases when done. Hands-free, efficient, and compact, it even shuts off after 15 minutes for safety. From pro-level shirts to custom hoodies, this AutoPress makes running a side hustle easier than ever. Foam Machine. Looking for a party side hustle? The Tinley & Foam Machine turns any backyard into a festival in minutes. Setup takes just 3 minutes. Plug in the hose, add the foam mix, hit power, and watch the magic happen. In less than 5 minutes, you can cover an entire pool, and in 10 minutes, the foam can fill your whole yard. Weighing only 1.5 kilograms, it's lightweight, portable, and built with an auto shut-off safety feature after 15 minutes of non-stop foaming. Perfect for birthdays, pool parties, or summer events. It comes with everything you need: tripod, hose, adapter, goggles, and more. Whether it's for fun or profit, this little machine can turn any occasion into a foamy adventure.